We have a paragraph, I think. I'm going to read it through and translate it, and let's see which things are going to be discussed by us in tonight's session. میبینین خیلی چیزی دارم شب راست صحبت کنیم در موردشان. امید and Navid's treaty. امید و نوید روزی که مثلا توی یعنی روزی که مثلا درخت میشونن یا درختشون میکنن مثلا چیز میتونیم بهش استفاده کنیم. Tonight's session focuses میگه فوکس و تمرکز درس امشب با ازی است که on describing future ongoing activities using future continuous tense که ما چگونه توصیف بکنیم پلان هایی را که قرار است یا فعالیت هایی که قرار است در آینده در حال جاری باشند در آینده در یک مدت زمان شروع شوند تا یک مدت زمان دیگه در آینده مثلا دیویشن جریان داشته باشند. چه قسمی عملا را ما بگوییم یا یک اکتیویتی فعالیت ها را ما در انگلیسی بیان بکنیم با استفاده کردن از future continuous tense زمان گذشته زمان آینده جاری. Students will practice talking about plans. شاگردها قرار است که تمرین بکنن راجع به صحبت کردن در مورد پلان ها، schedule تقسیم اوقات ها یا مثلا برنامه هایشان and ongoing actions in future و همچنان عملایی که در حال جریان هستند یا قرار هست که در حال جریان باشند در آینده. The story is set in Panjshir's mountains. میگه این story این داستان میگه که جا داده شده یا مثلا آورده شده از کوههای پنجشیر. plant trees. جایی میگه امید نوید حال میشن غرس میکنن درخت ها را and interact with villagers و ارتباط برقرار میکنن که تمی اهالی قریه offering opportunities to discuss future activities in nature and community work و همچنین میگه اینا برقرار پیشنهاد میکنن به حساب فرصت های را صحبت بکنن یا ایجاد میکنن فرصت های صحبت بکنن در مورد فعالیت های آینده در مورد طبیعت و همچنان کارهای اجتماعی یعنی موضوعاتی که مربوط به اجتماع میکنن با هم کار میکنن. And guys, do you have the slides right now? Slide has a پیشنهاد در خود اسکرین بازدان.
Yes, teacher.
Great. These are that we're going to talk about them and discuss about them in tonight's session. So we'll move on to the next slide basically, and we have tongue twister on there, and we're going to practice that section and part in case of improving our pronunciation, fluency, and also the reading. I'm gonna read it. Pay attention, everyone, and translate it. Omid observes oak and almond orchard openly. Omid observes oak and almond orchards openly. Omid observes oak and almond orchards openly. Omid observes means Omid تماشا میکنه دیدن میکنه از باغ‌های بلوط و بادام به شکل openly آشکارا به طور واضح و نمایان. So now who can read the tongue twister? که میتونه tongue twister بخونه؟ Mr. Fahim?
Yes, teacher. Omid observed oak and almond orchard openly. Omid observes oak and almond orchards openly. Omid observes oak and almond orchards openly. Thank you.
You're most welcome. Thank you so much, Mr. Fahim. That was so great and excellent. Well done. The next person would be Mr. Zahid.
Okay. Omid observes oak in almond orchard openly. Omid observes oak in almond orchard openly. Omid observes oak in almond orchard openly.
Afreen. Well done. That was so great and so professional reading. The next person would be Mr. Abdul Qahir.
Salam teacher and all students. Omid observes oak in almond orchards openly. Omid observes oak in almond orchards openly. Omid observes oak in almond orchards openly.
Afreen. Well done, guys. Tonight, mashallah. First, let me say mashallah, and then you guys are improving so much. Excellent, and you're completely energetic tonight. Ms. Hewad Mal.
Thank you, dear teacher. Omid observes oak and almond orchards openly. Omid observes oak and almond orchards openly. Omid observes oak and almond
Almond. Almond.
almond orchards openly. Thank you.
Excellent. You're most welcome, Ms. Hewalna. That was so great and fantastic. And the next person would be Mr. Khairuddin.
Good night, teacher. We made observe oak and almond orchards openly. We made observe oak and almond orchards openly. We made observe oak and almond orchards openly.
Orchard openly.
Okay,
Excellent. Well done. Well done. Well done, Khairuddin. That was so great and excellent. Offering Shabas from all students who read the tongue twister.
Okay.
یک چند کلمه رو معنایشون رو دقیق‌تر براتون بگویم. مثلا کلمه observe یعنی چیزی رو بسیار با دقت و بسیار به جزئیات مثلا تماشا کردن. آگ به معنی بلوط خب میفهمید چه بلوط اینا که هست. آلموند بادام. orchard یک ما گاردن داریم که orchard داریم. گاردن که هست مثلا معمولا باغ مثلا سبزی اینا می داشته باشه. با orchard که هست این باغ میگن. معمولا باغ‌های میوه اینا رو میگن. و حالا اگر بین شما کسی هست که بتونه این متن به پشتو مانا کنه بخاطر که فکر کنم مشکل دارن. So please one of you guys translate this tongue twister into Pashto. Can you guys do it?
Thank you, dear teacher. I will try. Omid observes oak and almond orchard openly. امید په ډېر دقت سره او په آزادانه فضا کې د بادامو او بلوطو باغونو څخه لیدنه کوي. Thank you.
Excellent. Well done. Thank you so much. That was so great and amazing. Well done. So now, guys, it's time to move on to the next slide. Let's see what we have there. Beginning the slide بعدی چی داریم? We have topic talk. I'm going to read it and translate it for you guys, so please pay attention. And after that we have grammar. So in topic talk, we have a story about Omid. They say that Omid is helping Navid plant trees in the mountains of Panjshir. Omid کمک میکنه نوید در نهالشونی یا غرس درختها در کوههای پنجشیر. Today امروز they will be planting walnut and almonds. امروز قرار است که اینا درختهای بادام و چهارمغز اینجا چی میگن بغرس کنن. And they will be staying on the mountain until sunset. و قرار است که اونا در سرکو باشن یا اونجا باشن تا غروب آفتاب. And they will be staying in the mountains. Okay, tomorrow فردا villagers will be. اما قریه اهالی قریه قرار است امروز اینا جای شوند. And Omid says, Omid میگه گفت که we will be staying closer to the ridge to enjoy the sunset. میگه امید گفت که ما قرار است که فردا بخیر اینجا باشیم، یعنی تا نزدیکای غروب آفتاب در سر تپه باشیم و لذت ببریم از غروب آفتاب. Using future continuous tense میگه با استفاده کردن از زمان آینده جاری we can describe actions میتونیم که ما توصیف بکنیم یا توضیح بدیم اکشن های عمل ها را that will be happening at a specific time in the future. به که صحبت بکنیم در مورد عملایی که قرار هستن. این قسمت متوجه باشین. عملایی که قرار هستن که در پوینت مشخص the future start یا شروع شود تا یک وقت مشخص مثل duration جریان داشته باشن. So in this case ما میتونیم که از future continuous tense استفاده بکنیم. For example به طور مثال I will be planting trees at 10 a.m. مثلا به طور مثال قرار است که من در حال شاندن باشم اولیه یا طرفای ساعت 10 بجه. یعنی که چه شروع میکنم چه ختم میکنم، یعنی قسمت the future مثلا یک جریان یک عمل کار نشان میده. They will be helping the children learn. میگه مثلا اونا قرار است که کمک بکنن، در حال کمک کردن باشن به طفلات تا اینکه بیاموزن این چیزا را. So now guys, we'll move on to the blue chart. We have 3 questions. I'm going to ask you guys and you should answer them. The first one is what will you be doing this weekend? می قرار است که شما در آخر از هفته چی کار بکنین؟ این سوال رو خاطر پرسان کرده براتون که شما بتونین از future continuous tense استفاده کنین که صحبت بکنین راجع به آخر هفتهتون که در هفته پلان کردین. So Mr. Zahid will answer the first question.
Okay, Miss. I will be answer the first question. What will you be doing this weekend? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I will be going to park this weekend with my friends. Near to us, there is a park by name Nakamura, and we will spend this weekend here.
Excellent, excellent. Thank you so much for answering this question, and that was so great. Thank you. The next question we have that how will you spend your summer mornings؟ خلاص شما صبحای تابستانیتونه یا مثلا صبح در تابستان صبحاتونه چه قسم سپری بکنین؟ So who can answer this question?
Yes, thank you, teacher. Second question, how will you spend your summers in the morning? In my summer morning, how I spend, I want to spending by exercising every morning, maybe 1 hour or half نص ساعت چطور میشه استاد؟
Half hour.
Half hour, yes. About half hour or 1 hour to walking on running in the morning, inshallah.
Excellent. Thank you so much for answering this question, Mr. Khairuddin. That was so great and outstanding. The next one we have, the next question, who will you be helping in the future and how? خلاص شما در آینده به کی کمک بکنین و چه قسم؟ So who can answer this question? یعنی پلانک مثلا شما دارین که یک نفر در آینده مثلا کمک بکنین or whatever you have planned about the future. Mr. Wadmal.
Thank you, teacher. How will you be helping in the future and how? According to me, dear teacher, this is related to in which field and in which kind of people we can help them. For example, we can help our friend for sharing information, learning, planning, and also solving the problem and other things or any kind of field that they for example, I will be helping my to learning English, for example, and other field improve like to sharing the information about like this course English online.af and give them information about the online platform and etc. And also can I can help my friend to solve their problem in that they are faced to them. Thank you, dear teacher.
You're most welcome. Thank you so much. That was so good and great. And the next person would be Mr. Fahim, who share his idea.
Thank you, teacher. I would like to talk about the first question and what will you be doing this weekend? As all of has know that this season is the spring season and the weather is the weather is cold and not warm. It is for, in my opinion, it is for going around for picnic and also enjoying from the nature. So I will be going to one of the far districts that are high has full desert that beautiful flowers are growing, and it seems very beautiful and also fantastic for me to enjoy from the nature of this district. Thank you.
You're most welcome. Thank you so much, Mr. Fahim, for describing this question and answering that. And user, if you look, please, and please mute yourself and watch out, guys, about your microphones. And inshallah, okay, without any instruction, we're going to move on. Do not forget to check EnglishOnline.af for more slides, books, videos, and quizzes. And it's basically time to move on to the next slide, which we have grammar. I'm gonna read that part for you and explain it, so pay attention, everyone. In grammar focus, we're going to discuss and talk about future continuous tense. قرار است بخیر در بخش گرامر امشب ما مراجعه به زمان آینده جاری صحبت کنیم. من مقصد که از نامش معلوم است که من چیزی بسیار سخت difficult نیست یا tricky نیست که شما مثلا confuse شوین که چی معنی چی مثل به چی استفاده میشه. فقط راجع به اکشنایی که یا ایونت هایی که قرار است در آینده در یک وقت مشخص در یک مدت جریان داشته باشه ما future continuous tense استفاده میکنیم. And here they give you the definition. Future continuous tense is used for actions in progressive future. ببینید فقط اکشن هایی که در جریان باشن در آینده ما میتونیم استفاده کنیم. Formula structureش چی است؟ We have subject, then we have well, which is helping verb for the future tense. Structure امقسم که یادتون است هر تنس ما خود فعل کمکی داره و فعل کمکی future tense های ما future tense ما well است و زمانی که باز زمان آینده جاری میشه باز will be جمع verb ing استفاده میکنیم. یعنی فعل ما حالت ing را میگیره یا حالت جاری را به خود میگیره و در کنار will یک دونه be اضافه میکنیم. Structure becomes like subject plus will be plus verb ing. Look at the examples which we have here. We will be planting trees until sunset. ما قرار است که در حال نهالشونی یا قرص نهالا باشیم درختها تا زمانی که آفتاب غروب میکنه. کار است ما شروع نکردیم. پلانش کردیم. صبح میریم. از صبح که آفتاب میبره تا دیگره که شام که آفتاب مثلا غروب میکنه ما قرار است مصروف از اینی باشیم. This is future continuous tense, which shows connection, which shows progressing in specific time in the future. The next one or the next example we have, they will be staying in the mountains with the villagers. می قرار است که اونا مثلا در مونتین در کوها باشن همراه مو اهالی قریه. And the next one we have, children will be learning while having fun. طفلا قرار است که زیادشون پیش ها چیزایی مثلا زیاد چیزا رو بیاموزن در حالی که مثلا در جریان اساطیریشون سرگرمیشون هستن. And this is future continuous tense. اینمی از زمان جاری. So guys, do you have any questions? Hold on. این قسمت?
No,
Have any question? Great. If you have, you can ask me. If you do not have any question, I'm going to ask you these questions in gray box. The first one we have, can we use will be with all subjects or ممكن will be like كل subject مستفادة كنين? Who can answer this question? Mrs. Zahid?
yes, ma'am. We can use will be because will be the helping word.
Excellent, totally and completely correct. We can use will be with all subjects without an exception. بدون كده exception ممكن يمكن كل subject استفادة كنين. Question number 2, how do we form question in future continuous tense? Will you be helping tomorrow? يعني موضوع شيء اسمه شخص ممكن يمكن مثلا form كنين يا شكل بتيم جملات السوالية را question ده قالب structure future continuous tense. Who can answer this one? كم يمكن يجاوب ده؟
Thank you, dear teacher. When we want to make the question form, we can bring the helping verb will to at the beginning of the sentences. Like they will be staying in the mountain with the villagers. Will they be staying in the mountain with the villagers? Thank you, dear teacher.
You're most welcome. Excellent. Thank you so much. Basically, whenever you want to build structure, the question structure, we're going to just bring will at the beginning. Offering. And the next one we have, can we combine it with time expressions like at 3 p.m., morning, evening, noon؟ آیا میتونیم مثلا فیچر کنتینیوس تنس یک جای بسازیم و ترکیبشان کنیم برای تایم اکسپرشن یا اصطلاحات تایمی یا زمانی که ازشون استفاده کنیم؟ Who can answer this one؟ ایرکی میتونه جواب بده؟ Yes, Mr. Khairuddin.
Yes, teacher. Thank you. I think we can use the expressions time.
We can use میتونیم استفاده کنیم. مثلا سیکنیم در اینجا گفته که for example we will be planting trees until sunset. Sunset خودش چیزه time expression است، وقتی که آفتاب غروب میکنه. یا مثلا for example زمانی که در جمله قبلی خوانده بودیم نیک مثلا we're going to planting trees or we will be planting trees at 10 o'clock. ما قرار ساعت 10 بجه دار مصروف باشیم در نهالشانی یا قرص کردن نهالینا. So in this case, yes, we can use it.
Maybe
Great, guys. So if you do not have any question, we'll move on to the next slide. Let's see, what do we have?
Yes.
We have rule play.
May I say one example for?
Yes, sure.
Okay. I will finish my project at the 4 p.m. today. 4 o'clock.
Can you repeat it?
I will finish my project at 4 o'clock p.m. today.
وقتی که today که میگیم مثلا بس اینا today ما نمیتونیم از future continuous tense استفاده کنیم. صحیح که از مثلا future tense هم میتونیم بر بعض از اکتیویتی که هم exception استثناءات استفاده کنیم، اما منظور دیست که مثلا پروژه ما خلاص میکنیم امروز اگر مربوط به یعنی زمان آینده جاری نمیشه. آینده جاری که میگیم مثلا اکتیویتی رو مشخص میکنیم که در یک زمان مشخص در آینده قرار در جریان باشه، هنوز شروع نشده، قرار از آینده شروع شده در مدت جریان داشته باشه، این قسمی. For example, you can say I will be working on my project tomorrow at 9 o'clock. مثلا ما قرار ساعت 9 بجه مصروف باشیم سر کار کردن سر پروژه. In this case, yes, we can use it.
Yes.
Great. So now we will move on to the rule play. But for reading that, I need a partner who can read it with me. Yes, Mrs. Zahid. I'm going to be Omid and you're going to be Navid. Omid, tomorrow we will be planting apples and grapes. Omid, sabah bakhair qarar است که ما در حال نشاندن یا نهالشانی درختای سیب و انگور باشیم.
Yes, we will be staying near Bandigar until evening. مونږ به هلته به اوسېږو بندیغر څنګ کې تر ماښامه پورې.
Excellent. The children will be learning how to water trees. طفلان قرار است که یاد بگیرن یا بیاموزن که چه قسم درخت‌ها را آب بدن یا بیایی بکنن.
And we will be tasting talkhan after lunch. مونږ به د talkhan نه پوهېږم چې کوم ډول خوراک دی هغې ذایقه به وګورو غرمې نه وروسته.
Excellent. Talkhan, I think it is traditional sweet or something from Panjshiri people, and we call it talkhan. We do not have any other word for that. By the end of the week, در آخر امی هفته we will be making panjshir greener. تا آخر امی هفته قرار است ما پنجشیر از این سرسبزتر بسازیم.
It will be exciting. دا به ډېر مطلب ښایسته وي یا دلچسپه وي because everyone will be enjoying the mangoes. ځکه چې هر یو به د دې غرونو څخه خوند واخلي او انجوای به کوي.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Mr. Abdul Zahid, for reading and translating the paragraph. So now it's time to give the chance to other pair, Mr. Abdul Qahir with Mr. Fahim. Abdul Qahir, you're Omid, and Fahim, you're Navid.
Yes, teacher.
Tomorrow we'll be planting apples and grapes.
Yes, we will be staying near Bandar until evening.
The children will be learn how to water trees.
And we will be testing talkhan after lunch.
By end of the week, we'll be making Panjshir greener.
It will be exciting because everyone will be enjoying the mountains. Thank you.
Excellent, guys. Thank you so much for reading this paragraph. Play well done. The next person would be Mr. Khairuddin with Ms. Hiwadmal. Khairuddin, you are Omid, and Hiwadmal, you are Navid.
Yes, thank you, teacher. I will start. Tomorrow we will be planting apples and grapes. Yes.
Yes, we will be staying near Bandikar until evening.
The children will be learning how to water trees.
And we will be testing the Khan after lunch.
By the end of week, we will be making Panjshir greener.
It will be exciting because everyone will be enjoying the mountains. Thank you.
Excellent, guys. Thank you so much. That was so great and very nice. Well done. So now we'll move on to the next slide. It's time for speaking. And we have, I think, 3 pictures. Yes, and you guys should talk about these pictures by using future continuous tense. And the first person would be, you just have right of speaking about one picture. فقط یک تصویر رو صحبت میکنین. And Mrs. Zahid is going to be the first person.
Okay, so I'll describe the first picture. In the first picture, one person is kneeling at ground and he's collecting the soil for planting, and also he has watching near, and I think he will be planting the almond plant, and also after the planting he will be watering the trees.
Oh, Zahid, excellent. Well done. That was so great and very professional explanation for this picture. Excellent. It was completely to the point, but it was a little bit short. كمان كتاب الإبسيون Mr. Abdul Qahir.
Talk about the third picture.
Okay, you start.
Children will be learning step by step. They will be the child in they will be planting the side carefully, be watering the plant regularly. In the other hand, planting tree will be important for our people. The clean air and they will be helping to reduce heat and dust. Our environmental environment will become more beautiful and healthy. Thanks, teacher.
Excellent, excellent. Well done. Thank you so much, Mr. Abdul Qahir. That was so great, but your voice was a little bit breaking. And otherwise, that was so great. Excellent. And the next person will be Ms. Hiwadmal.
Thank you, dear teacher. I want to talk about the second picture. The second picture shows, I think, Omid. Omid is experienced farmer or gardener, and he wants to plant some kind of sapling in the mountain, like grape, like apple, and other kind of sapling, and he wants to a useful person in the community, and his wishes that he to make his country and his promise greener, And for case, he wants to plant. He wants to planting so many sapling in the mountains, and one of his plan is that with their friends, they want to plan tomorrow. They will be planting so many sapling with their friends in the mountains of Panjshir. Thank you, dear teacher.
Excellent, excellent. Thank you so much, Ms. Hewad Mal. That was so great. Well done. The next person would be Mr. Fahim.
Thank you, dear teacher. I would like to talk about the third picture. As part of plantation campaign every year, the people are planting also some other kind of trees. So Ahmad also will be a part of this campaign. So he is trying to talk with children regarding the plantation and also how to take care from trees because the trees need some um, 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 some the trees need to watering normally and also regularly. So it is necessary to teach the children and also other people for this regard. However, the children know some primary information about the plantation and also watering the trees and also some other. Thank you, teacher.
Excellent, excellent. Thank you so much for these speeches and of words and sentences. Yes, Mr. Khairuddin.
Yes, thank you, teacher. I want to try to talk about also the third picture. تصویر سیوم شد.
The third picture.
The third picture. The third picture here. It shows one of a person. Maybe he is Ahmad. He planted one of دی خود درخت نمیشه، شاخچه میشه یا درخت بود.
We can say plant. مثلا نبات بگوییم مثلا plant.
He plant one of plants, yes, but yeah, well, the around of him the children gather it. Ahmad is talking about the plans. Maybe he is explaining to children how to we attention to plants, or how to watering, how to تو توجه کنیم چطوری میشه؟
To pay attention.
To pay attention, yes. The children they they are happy, they are خوشحال منظر مثل چطور میشه seems
They seem happy.
yes, the children they seem happy. They are they all want to understand something about plants. Yes, teacher.
You're most welcome. Thank you so much for all students who participate in the speaking section. So now it's time to move on to the next slide, which we have reading. So I'm going to read that part for you and translate it. And after that, we have 3 comprehension questions, and you guys should pay attention to find the answers. كل سوالان دا جواباش دا passage هست خوب سه متوجه می باشین. I'm going to read it and translate it. And after me, one of your classmates will read it and translate it to Pashto. Navid is walking in the Panjshir mountains. میگن نوید در حال قدم زدن است در کوههای پنجشیر. Today امروز he will be helping Navid plant walnuts and almonds. میگن قرار است امروز کمک بکنه برای نوید به که غرس کنن درختای بادام و چهارمغز را. And they will be staying until sunset to finish their work before the evening wind. میگه که قرار است که اینا همونجا باشن تا غروب آفتاب تا کار خود تمام کنن قبل از شام. Tomorrow, فردا, villagers will be joining to plant apples, apricots and grapes. و میگه که فردا بخیر قرار است که می villagers یا قریه دارا همچنان اهالی قریه امروز اینا یک جای شوند یا جوین شوند تا یکی نهالشانی بکنن یا بشنن درختای سیب، زردالو و انگور. امید laughs and says امید خنده کرد و گفت که the children will be learning while having fun. قرار است که شاگردان طفلا هم میگن چیزی یاد بگیرن در حال که هم ساعتشان دیر میشه. By evening تا شام یا تا دیگر the friends are tired and happy. میگه که این دوستا هم خسته بودن اما هم خوشحال بودن. Next week هفته بعدی they will be continuing their work. قرار است که اینا ادامه بدن امی کار خود را. And Panjshir mountains will be becoming greener. و امی کوههای پنجشیر قرار است که از این کار سرسبزتر شود. The friends enjoy nature. میگه که امی دوستا بسیار زیاد علاقه دارن یا لذت میبرن از طبیعت. The fresh air آب و هوای تازه and the beautiful view of کوه میرسمیر و همچنان میگه که بسیار خوششان میزم ویوی منظره مقبول امیکو. And knowing that everyone will be benefiting from the trees in the future. میره میفهمن که میکنه قرار است یا هر کس قرار است که داینده از این درختایی که اینا مینشانن یک سود یک منفعت ببرن. So now Mrs. Zahid or maybe Mr. Wamal, everyone who can read and translate this passage to Pashto. Mrs. Zahid, read it please.
Okay, ma'am. Omid is walking in the Panjshir mountains. Omid چې دی دا وایي د پنجشیر په غرونو کې قدم وهي روان دی. Today he will be helping نور ورځ چې دی هغه به مرسته کوي نوید plants walnut and almonds. مطلب هغه د نوید سره به مرسته کوي چې د بادام او د چهارمغز ونې وکري. They will be staying until sunset او دی به ماښام کېدو پورې عمل ته اوسېږي. To finish their work before the evening wing او چې دی خپل کار چې دی ماښام نه مخکې خلاصي. Tomorrow سبا ته will be joining to plant apples, apricots and grapes. او سبا ته دا کلیوال به هم ورسره یوځای شي چې د مڼې، زردالو او د انګورو ونې وکري. Omid laughs, Omid چې دی خاندي and says that children will be learning while having fun. امید خاندي او هغه وایي چې کوم د ماشومان چې دي دوی به هم زده کړه وکړي او هم به ساتیري وشي. By evening تر ماښام پورې ماښام کې the friends are tired but happy. ماښام دا ملګري چې وو دا ستړي شوي وو مګر خوشحاله وو. Next week راتلونکي هفته they will be continuing their work. دوی به د خپل کار جریان وساتي یعنې کار وکړي. In the Panjshir mountains will be becoming greener. د پنجشیر غرونه چې دی دې نه به نور هم شنه زرغونه وو. The friends enjoy nature او دا ملګري چې دي د طبیعت څخه خوند اخلي. The fresh air دا تازه هوا in the beautiful view of کوه سمیر د دې ښایسته منظرې د کوهمیر سمیر څخه or knowing that everyone will be benefiting او په دې پوهېږي چې څوک به ګټه واخلي from the trees in the future د ونو څخه په راتلونکي وخت.
Thank you so much. That was so great, Mr. Zahid. Thanks for reading and also translating the passage. Well done. So now it's time to move on to these three questions. I'm going to ask you guys, and you guys should find the answers. The first one is, what will Omid and Navid be doing today? قرار است که امروز نوید و امید مصروف انجام کدام کار باشن؟ Mr. خیرالدین.
Thank you, teacher. Sorry. Umid and is walking in the Panjshir mountain. Today you will be helping Navid. Navid plants wild. Walton and almonds. What's walnuts and almonds. They will be staying until sunset to finish their work before the evening wind.
Excellent. Thank you so much. The next question is that who will join them tomorrow? Yes. شو ده؟
أنا قسمت لك before the evening wind شمشة
شمال يا باد تفهمينا.
Okay, yes, thank you.
Yes. The next question is that who will join them tomorrow? قرار سبب کی امروز بپیوندن یا enjoy شون. Miss Hiwana.
Thank you, teacher. Tomorrow villagers will be joining to plant apples, apricot, and grapes to help Omid and Navid. Thank you.
You're most welcome. Excellent. Completely correct one. And the last one is how will the mountain change next week? قرار است که کوها در هفته بعدی چی تغییرات نشون دهد یا چی چیزا تغییر کنه؟ مثل ظاهر.
Yes, the next week Panjshir mountains will be becoming greener.
Excellent. Offering totally and completely correct answer. Bunch of thanks from all you three guys to answer these three questions. Excellent. And basically, I think you guys do not have any question here. So do not forget to check the English online.af. And in the next slide and last slide, we have vocabulary. I'm going to read it for you and translate it, so pay attention. The first one is, the first word is spling. Spling means like نهال شاندن یا قرض کردن نهال. Omid is planting walnut sapling. میگه که امید قرار است که بشانه یا نهالشانی بکنه یک درخت یا نهال چهارمغزه. The next one is rage. Rage means تپه. Tomorrow they will be staying near the ridge. سبا میگه قرار است که باشن نزدیک تپه. Sunset, غروب آفتاب. They will be watching the sunset over the mountains. قرار است که اینا در حال تماشا کردن غروب آفتاب باشن از سر کوه. The next one is volunteer. Volunteer means داوطلب. یعنی کسی که چی میگن شب بر خواست خودش کار انجام میده بدون کدام مثلا دستمزد اینا. امید is a volunteer helping the villagers. میگه امید یک داوطلب است به خاطر کمک کردن همراه با اهالی قریه. And the last word is environment. Environment means محیط زیست یا محیط. And Navid studies the environment at Panjshir University. و میگه نوید هم خوانده یا میخوانه محیط زیست را در پانتون پنجشیر. So I just need one person to read the vocabulary and translate it into Pashto. And after that we will end the session. Yes, Mr. Wadmal?
Thank you, dear teacher. Sapling Nahal Yazwana Winnie. Omid is planting a walnut sapling. Omid Kinavi the Yazwan Winnie red Tapa Yagara will staying near the sunset. They will be watching the sunset over the mountain. دوی به وګوري د لمر لوېدل پس د غرونو څخه. volunteer رضاکار یا داوطلب. امید is a volunteer helping villager. امید چې دی یو رضاکار دی چې مرسته کوي د کلیوالو سره. environment چاپیریال او محیط زیست. نوید studied the environment at پنجشیر University. نوید چاپیریال یا محیط زیست لولي پنجشیر پوهنتون کې. thank you.
Well done, excellent. That was so great. And the next person would be Mr. Abdul Zahid.
Okay, ma'am. Sapling. One ginawal nihal toy. Umay is planting a well-lit sapling. Umay chede the charma una kiri. Reg mana one day taba. Tomorrow they will be staying near the ridge. Sabata diwa one day sanki about usi. Sunset Dalmar Privatal. They will be watching the sunset over the mountains. Dalmar Privatalaba Wuguri the Urudu Pasa. Volunteer Mara Razakar. Omed is volunteer helping the villager. Omed de Razakar de Razakar Gakar ki de Kilwar Sara. Environment Mana Chaplier. Navid studies the environment at Panjshir University. Navid chide the environment de Chaplier Baraki. That's why the Panjshir Pontunki.
Well done, excellent. Thank you so much. And the next person would be Mr. Abdul Qahir.
Sapling. Umaid is planting land. Sapling. Ridge. Tomorrow they will be staying near the ridge. Sunset. They will be watching sunset over mountains. Volunteer. Umaid is volunteer helping villagers. Environment. Navid study environment at Panjshir University.
Well done, excellent. Thank you so much. Basically, time is over, everyone. And thank you so much for participating and also being active in tonight's session. I just want the same as always. So, خیلی خوب بوده شب درستان. Excellent, guys. If you have any question, you can ask me. And if you do not have any question, excellent work tonight, everyone. You spoke confidently, practiced your grammar, and expanded your vocabulary. Keep reviewing today's lesson and do not forget to join on time tomorrow. Inshallah, we will review first. Tomorrow, inshallah, we will review our tonight's session first, then inshallah we'll start the new one. So have a very wonderful and great night, everyone. Bye-bye.